Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do some wheelies because I can finally drop back now. But right now it's highly dependent on the wind because sometimes it's getting very windy, and it is currently Christmas Day. Just finished having lunch with the family. Got my new lens and my goggles in. It's one thing I got for Christmas, and they haven't came in time, but I'm getting riding pants, which I sort of need because yeah, I've been riding in these pants for ages. I swear it feels like I got a flat, dude. No, I'm tripping. Yeah, definitely got a fair bit windy because look at all this stuff coming down from the trees. Yeah, like I can feel the wind there. You can see it's going to the side quite a bit. Is that a magpie? I think it is. Or what's left of it. But you see, I'm already going to balance point there. But the improvement from the last time I rode for like 15 minutes here is pretty insane. Yeah, it's just getting a wee bit windy and I don't like it. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, it doesn't look terrible here, but you're definitely getting some gusts which are pretty sketchy. Like if I go down a road which is like pointing that way, it'll be better. Okay. Go to the side. Well, that was a wee bit of a power wheelie then, but I'm just trying to make it so I can really keep at sort of the balance point and I'm not accelerating like crazy. And I also think I need to get some smaller gloves because I mean, you see how much it's not great. See, like I had to use my rear brake there, but like I'm not scared. Ah, moss in it. There we go. And there we go. Like the wind's not bad, but it's like what am I doing wrong, dude? I'm just pulling in the clutch. I must be doing too many wheelies. Well, at least I can just enjoy the view right now. It's good because it's Christmas, you know, there's nobody on the road. So in reality, I should be fine going the other way. But I don't think the bike should be doing this. Yeah, it has to be this connection. Okay, I don't want to flood this thing. Quick little, as if it's a two-stroke. Mix that shit in. Whoa. I'm not out of gas because I had like 3/4 of a tank, so I have plenty of fuel. Is that Dad? Surely not. See? It just died! Good. Can you film? Fuck! Go! God damn. Ugh. Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, just give me a moment. Oh, my leg. Oh, I'm so glad I got that on camera.
But I was like zoomed in a bit. So
oh.
Good.
Oh, my leg. That's why I got the dirt bike though. Alright, well, you guys saw the crash. My knee is a wee bit fucked up. But you see, this is exactly why I got my dirt bike. And so I can crash like that, get up, and fucking do it again, even though it's windy and it sucked me up. But I just watched back the video on the phone and I did hit the rear brake, but obviously not hard enough. So that's a good thing to learn for next time. Hit it a bit fucking harder. Well, you gotta learn from your mistakes. There's not too much damage done with this thing, which is good. Shouldn't be too expensive to fix. And the bike still runs. You see, if I did that on my R7, that thing would have been fucking totaled. So, yeah. I'm glad I did it on this bike. And I think it was also partly me being too overconfident, which is definitely like 80% of that crash. But yeah, see, look how windy it is now. And these pants are now ruined, so that means I need to get another pair of pants. Like, I don't have a lot of clothes. I have 2 pairs of pants. I've just gotten my 3rd pair of shorts. So, yeah, we're something else. But hey man, at least I scraped. But one thing I know after crashing, you gotta hop right back on, as long as you are like not that hurt, and just do it again, otherwise you're gonna lose all your confidence. See, like, I needed to use my rear brake there and I used it. It's good to be safe and not blow your clutch. It might be a good idea. Did I say blow your clutch? It's like burn through it, dude. But yeah, we're all good. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Sort of hyped about crashing, just because I'm learning. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.